Hello and welcome to this video on Power BI. Do you know that a dark mode has been released in Power BI? Yes, you heard it right. It was a month ago, a dark mode has been released for Power BI desktop application. It was after multiple people voting for the idea of a dark mode, and if you see in the ideas, it's been around from like 2019. So it's been 5 years since the idea has been posted in Power BI ideas site for a Power BI dark application, and you have it here now. So this release has been a fully blown out release wherein every aspect of Power BI desktop application has been customized for a dark mode. So the current view that you are seeing in my system is the legacy mode. Now they have introduced few more modes like a dark mode, a light mode, and a system default. So dark mode, as the name says, it's going to be completely customized for a dark application viewer experience. Light mode is going to be very close looking to the legacy mode, but it's going to be having a little more modernized light look. And system default is going to be inheriting whatever is the theme of your system. So let's quickly see how it looks. So to access the new modes, you go to File and then Options and Settings, you go to Options. Here this option to change your theme is going to be available in the Global Report Settings. So under Global Report Settings, I scroll down and it is here I see. So these are the four new modes available. One great thing about changing this mode is you don't have to restart your application every time you do this change. So now my system is in default mode. I'm going to select dark. The moment I click on OK, my entire desktop application is going to be modified to utilize the dark mode. So as I said earlier, you see everything has been customized for dark mode user experience. So the canvas is obviously white because that's where it gives you the flexibility to choose the color and the look and feel of your actual report. I go to the grid view, that is the table view. So it's also completely modified for a dark mode. I go to the model view. Again, this is also modified to the dark mode. So here as you see, the colors of these toggles also have been customized to suit perfectly for the dark mode. And the relationship colors, everything, you name it, and they have already changed. All those things very customized for the dark mode. So the DAX writer view. So here again, the color pattern that's been used has been completely modified for a dark mode experience. So let me just go to this options and settings and go back to the light mode to show you the exact difference how it is going to look. So I go to report settings and let me change it to light mode now. So the light mode, obviously, as I said, it's going to have a separate user experience. As you see, the green is a little less contrast as compared to how it looked in the dark mode. Again, this is kind of like different. And if I go to this is also as changed, and the grid view is changed, and the canvas is changed. Everything is changed, and this is like more modern as compared to the legacy mode. And then the system default, it's going to be inheriting whatever is the theme of your system. So in my case, I'm not in a dark mode as far as my system is concerned. Let's see how it looks post going to the system theme. So I select on system default. Yeah, here it is. So I don't see any change or much of a change in the user experience. So it's a plain light view experience. Since I'm not in a dark mode, by default, my system is going to take a light mode experience. So by the moment I change my system theme to a dark mode, the Power BI application also is going to inherit that settings and change my Power BI application completely to suit for dark mode. Now going back to the dark mode, one thing that needs an improvement, let me show you that. So I'm going to switch now to my dark mode. Again, from the global report settings, I go and select dark. So everything gets changed to the dark mode except one. If I open the filters, now everything looks rosy. I click on the table. I see the filters on this visual. Let me click on the drop down. I see this clearly, but let me go here. So you see this, right? So this is one thing that needs an improvement as far as the dark mode is concerned. So in the dark mode, this responsiveness I believe has been missed out or would be implemented in the future releases. but as of the date I'm recording this, I don't see this visible. So I need to be clicking this to know what exactly is the option that's there. So it's not by default visible. So this is one place where I saw that there was a miss, but otherwise it's kind of very smooth and straightforward. Like everywhere this has been properly integrated. That's all in this video. Please like, subscribe and comment for more such videos.